if you're watching in Cincinnati with the whole state of Ohio or Kentucky, this is for you, my friends. So we start out by browning our beef, and then we add our really unusual blend of spices. For every pound to pound and a half of meat, I have a pound and a half, I like an extra meaty meat sauce, you're going to add 1/4 cup of chili powder. Of course, the meat had salt and pepper. We browned it in a big Dutch oven over medium-high heat with a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to add what makes it the Cincinnati flavored meat sauce. And it's weird. It's a weird combination. It's cinnamon, just a little bit, allspice, and a hint of cloves. We're going to add the minced onion, 1 large or 2 medium onions. I throw in a couple of fat cloves of garlic. And we're gonna give that a stir. And we're gonna throw in 1 fresh or dry bay leaf. I prefer fresh. I'm gonna watch my spaghetti. When we come back, we'll add the liquids to our sauce. Come on back right after this. To our Cincinnati chili sauce, I just added a fat squirt, like 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're gonna add a couple of fat spoonfuls of light or dark brown sugar, whichever you have in the pantry. And then you're gonna add a couple of cups of beef stock. A little Worcestershire. Remember when we said Cincinnati chili, you can get 3-way, 4-way, or 5-way. 5-way is when you have onions, which we've already added, and beans. They use red kidney. So 1 can of beans and 1 can or 2 cups of tomato sauce or tomato passata. And then you let this simmer to thicken while you're cooking off your pasta. I already dropped our pasta, so we're gonna take one more quick break. Come on back, I'll show you the toppings for this right after this. To marry any pasta to any sauce, you save a mugful of the salty, starchy cooking water just before you drain the pasta. So now we're going to give this a shake, put all of our undercooked pasta back in the pot, and then we're gonna marry it. There's the hot, starchy, salty cooking water. And here's some of our chili sauce. Yeah. 5-way, right, was the meat sauce, adding both onions and beans to the meat sauce, the pasta, right? And the 5th is cheese. We're gonna do a couple extra zhuzhes on top. We're gonna take some of our spaghetti, our chili spaghetti, throw it in the bowl. Whoops. Wipe it down a little bit. Top it with some more chili sauce. Yeah. Oh, you are one hot mess in a good way. And then the traditional shredded yellow cheddar cheese, not Parmigiano. And then here's the way I roll. So that's 5-way. 6-way, a little chopped white raw onion, just like a chili dog. 7-way, some pickled jalapeno peppers like on nachos. And 8-way, a little sprinkle of something green. I like parsley and cilantro on top. There you go. That is my 7-way.